As urban cyclists, we wanted to deal with the biggest problems of biking in cities, namely navigation and security. There are a couple of accessories that try to solve these issues, but there hasn't been any complete solution. Introducing SmartHalo. SmartHalo isn't just another bike accessory. In fact, it's not meant to be removed after each ride. It installs permanently on your handlebar and pairs with your smartphone to turn your bike into a smart bike and provide a biking experience like no other.
SmartHalo's design philosophy has always been centered on simplicity. Biking in cities can be a challenge, so we've made sure our device was simple yet smart. How? By reducing its interface to its simplest possible form, a circle. This luminous halo allows us to communicate an impressive amount of information. SmartHalo finds the quickest, safest routes and bike paths for you to make your ride a stress-free experience. Just input the destination in our app, tuck your phone safely in your pocket, and let SmartHalo take care of the rest. Our unique circular interface allows us to show every type of turn the city can offer. Also, our light patterns warn you in advance of an incoming turn, so you get plenty of time to plan your next move. As soon as you start riding, SmartHalo tracks your bike metrics, your time, distance, average speed, the calories you've burned, as well as your total elevation. Unlike regular fitness apps, you don't need to press start or stop. It does it all seamlessly. You don't even need to take your phone out of your pocket. SmartHalo is also equipped with a smart Nightlight. It turns on automatically when it's dark and shuts off on its own when you're done riding. With the personal assistant feature, SmartHalo will notify you of incoming calls or text messages right on your handlebar.
All of this intelligence wouldn't be possible without having SmartHalo living permanently on your handlebar. The design goal of SmartHalo was to build a simple and integrated interface that would fit any bicycle and under any condition. It's built to resist the worst that Mother Nature can throw at it, be it rain, dirt, or snow. SmartHalo was also built to resist your bike's worst enemy, bike thieves. Assembled with a unique tamper-proof system, SmartHalo can only be unlocked with a special key provided with the product. But we went further than this. SmartHalo is also an integrated alarm system. When activated, anyone trying to steal your sweet ride will hear the angry roar of SmartHalo.
SmartHalo has been designed to be beautiful inside and out. There is no on-off button on SmartHalo. Its sophisticated sensors detect your presence. It only turns on when you are riding. When you're done, it shuts down by itself. All this leads to amazing battery life to keep going as long as you do. Under normal usage, SmartHalo will last around 3 weeks.
It's become obvious we need greener transportation methods. If bikes are to be legitimized, they need to be connected and smart and elegant. With SmartHalo, there's balance between sophistication and simplicity. You'll agree when you turn your bike into a smart bike.